Hi, I'm Vikram. I am teaching you what is array in PHP. Basically, a single dimension array I am teaching you here. Array looks like this. You can put the array elements, that is some values, numbers or strings, characters, etc. Just like this, and you have to access by the index. These are called index, these are values. An array holds a consecutive memory location, and you can access them by index. Okay, I am showing you in details here. So if you want to declare an array, what you need to do? You have to write array, the word here, and this is same as PHP variable, just like this is array variable basically, and you have to access the array elements by using this and the array index. I am telling you this. You have to write array, the elements here, sorry. And in PHP, you can write different type of elements, like that you can write numbers, characters, or set of characters which is called string here in an array. And when you write array 100, 200, these are values, array elements which are called. Automatically PHP assign the array index here to the elements. This is done implicitly, automatically. So when you write $array, this is the array variable, you have to write array and the values or elements here. Here is string, these are numbers. What PHP does, PHP automatically assigns array index 0, 1, 2 for the consecutive elements. This is done automatically. Also you can define the array index explicitly by yourself. Like which way? Here. You have to write array, this is the array key and this is the value. These values are called array index, array elements, and these are called keys or array index. Okay, here index 0, 1, 2, 3, this is done automatically. Also you can assign them manually like this way or this way. Here I have written the index or array key in a different way. Here first element is 10, second element is 6 and array index 5. Third element 7, array index 3. So index can be a numerical value, index can be a string. Here array index is HA, which refers the fourth element, which is 4. So here value is 4, array element is 4 and array index is HA. So array index can be a numerical, array index can be a string, a character, like that way. Here this is also string, this is not number, 0, 2. Here I didn't mention any index for the first element. So PHP will automatically index 0, will assign index 0 for the first element. But at the end I have written index 0 again. So 12 will replace the first element. This is done here. This is a mixing array indexes of different kind. You can declare an empty array like this way. There is no element in this array, blank array. Also you can declare an empty array, then just write $A high. This will be the first element in this array, which is shown here. Here I have declared an empty array. Then first element assign the character A, second element character B, third element character C. But firstly I have declared an empty array. Also you can declare the same array like this way. I have declared 3 elements simultaneously, A, B, C. So PHP will assign index 0, 2 for the first element, index 1 for the second and index 2 for the third element, which is shown here. This is index. Also you can write an array like this way. Probably PHP 5.2 or 5.3 allows this, and prior version will not allow this. Automatically 0, 1, 2, 3 index will be assigned. So this is single dimensional array in PHP. I will come back with multi-dimensional array in future very soon. Thank you very much. I am Vikram from Kolkata, PHP developer. Thank you. Bye.